Let me quickly show you how to turn off accidental touch protection on Samsung. Looking right here is your device, so you just need to go ahead and click on the setting option right here on your device. Then go ahead and scroll and click on display. So looking right here, you just need to scroll down gently and you're going to see the option of accidental touch protection. This is actually going to protect your device from accidental touches when it is in dark places such as your pockets or in your bag. So in order for you to turn this off, if you don't want to use this feature, you need to go ahead and tap on it like this and it is going to be turned off. Meanwhile, you should note that this feature is actually helpful. So if you want to turn it off, this is how simple it is for you to turn it off. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. This is how simple it is for you to turn off accidental touch protection on Samsung. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on App Fix and Internet. See you in the next one.